The natural year has no formal start date, but if we know what to look for, the second half of February is when we see the wheels turning. Some plants get a head start, showing leaves or flowers weeks before others. But how and why? The overnight rains had cleared, and cars pushed puddles in arcs over the pavement. I was early for my meeting with Professor Rosemary Fricker at the Cambridge University Botanic Garden. Professor Fricker is a neuroscientist who has researched the neurobiology of diseases including Parkinson's and Huntington's. She also leads a team of phenology researchers at Cambridge University Botanic Garden, where they call her Rose. Phenology is the formal study of seasonal phenomena. Rose had kindly invited me to join the researchers on their routine patrol of the gardens to record seasonal events in a carefully chosen selection of the 8,000 plants that grow there. This is part of a plan to improve our understanding of the plant's seasonal responses to external influences, including changes in climate. At Cambridge, they are introducing nuance. In the past, almost all records were binary. A plant was either in flower or not. There were no shades between. But at Cambridge, they are refining the process and using increments, marking some plants as 30% in flower and others at 90%. Questions started flowing to Rose. A tall postgraduate called Edward stopped us as we passed an alder. His finger flicked over the iPad in the crook of his arm. Do I mark this alder as 100% in flower, 50% in flower, or 0% in flower? I was intrigued. How can a tree be fully in flower, half in flower, and totally not, all at the same time? It turned out that the database software didn't differentiate between male and female flowers. The male flowers were out, but the females weren't. Edward felt this qualified as 50% in flower, but Rose told him to mark it as 100%, but to add a note that they were males only. The small dilemma was testament to the fresh detail the team were recording. We passed a Persian ironwood tree with dark bark that had peeled away in great swatches to reveal a golden honey colour beneath. I learned that this ironwood blossomed strongly on alternate years, putting on a magnificent display of flowers one year and underwhelming the next. Many trees have mast years in seeds, when an oak or beech, for example, puts out a bumper crop every few years to inundate greedy grazing animals and improve the chance of a seed to take root. But I had not expected to find this habit in tree flowers. At the edge of the path, the sunlight caught a sprinkling of white snowdrops and then the bright yellow of daffodils.